Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Saturday, September 20. And like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going today?
Hey David, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad, just need this coffee to kickstart my brain. Had a late night with some sales reports?
I know the feeling. I'm pretty tired too after a long project meeting yesterday.
Yeah, work just doesn't stop, does it? Always something to keep us busy.
That's true. It's nice to take a quick break like this though.
For sure. Hey, did you hear about this big news with the US and China?
You mean the TikTok deal? Yes, I saw something about it.
Yeah, that's it. They say President Trump and China finally agreed to keep TikTok running in the US.
That's a big deal. I read that they made a framework to move TikTok's ownership to American hands.
Exactly. My sales team is gonna love this. They use TikTok a lot for quick videos to grab clients.
I can see why. It's a huge platform for reaching people fast.
Totally. I just hope this deal doesn't mess up their marketing tricks,
Good point. I'm curious about how they'll handle data privacy with this change.
Yeah, that's important. As long as my team can keep posting, I'm happy.
Let's hope it works out. Tech and politics together always make things tricky.
No kidding. Speaking of tech, did you catch that story about NVIDIA and Intel?
Yes, I did. NVIDIA is putting a massive $5 billion stake into Intel.
$5 billion. That's insane, right? I can't even imagine that much money.
It's huge. They say NVIDIA is teaming up with the US government as a major shareholder in Intel now.
Wow, that's crazy. I guess chips are everything these days. Phones, computers, even cars.
They really are. As a project manager, I think this could speed up new tech for our office projects.
I hope it means cheaper gadgets soon. My laptop is so slow it's driving me nuts.
I feel you. Better chips might mean better tools for all of us at work.
Fingers crossed for that. I need a fast computer to keep up with my sales numbers.
Same here. Tech upgrades could make managing projects so much easier.
Let's dream big then. Hey, on a different topic, did you see the news about that storm in the Atlantic?
Yes, I did. It's called Tropical Storm Gabrielle, isn't it?
That's the one. They say it's getting stronger and moving west right now.
That sounds a bit scary. I hope it doesn't cause too much trouble for people.
Yeah, me too. I've got some family on the coast, so I'm checking updates all the time.
I understand. Storms like this make me think we need to plan for emergencies, even here at work.
True, we can't have delays with shipments if it gets bad. Nature always has the last word, huh?
It sure does. I just hope everyone stays safe out there.
Same here. Man, the world is always throwing surprises at us, isn't it?
It really is. There's something new to talk about every single day.
Keeps our coffee chats interesting. I'm glad we get to catch up like this.
Me too. It's a nice little break before the workday gets crazy.
Speaking of crazy, how's your project going? Got a lot on your plate?
Oh yes, I'm very busy today. I've got deadlines coming up soon.
I hear ya. I've got a bunch of client calls lined up this morning.
Sounds like a full day. Do you have any big sales coming through?
I'm working on a couple of deals. Fingers crossed they sign soon.
That's great. I'm sure you'll close them with that charm of yours.
Haha, thanks. How about you? Any cool projects you're excited about?
Well, we're starting a new system for tracking tasks. It might save us a lot of time.
Nice! Anything that saves time is a win in my book.
Exactly. I'm hoping it makes our team meetings shorter too.
Oh, shorter meetings? Now you're speaking my language.
I thought you'd like that. We all need a break sometimes.
For sure. Hey, going back to that TikTok news, do you think it'll change how people use it?
Maybe a little. If it's under US control, some rules might be different.
As long as my team can still make funny videos, I'm cool with it.
Fair enough. It's also about keeping user data safe, which matters a lot.
Yeah, I guess so. I just don't want extra headaches for my sales plans.
I get it. Let's see how this deal plays out in the next few weeks.
Deal. And about that NVIDIA thing, Do you think we'll see new tech in our office soon?
I hope so. Better chips could mean faster systems for all our work.
Man, I'd love a new computer. This old one takes forever to load anything.
Tell me about it. I'm waiting for an upgrade to run my project software better.
Let's keep dreaming then. Maybe we'll get lucky this year.
Maybe? Tech moves fast, so you never know what's coming.
True. And with that storm, Gabrielle, I'm just hoping it doesn't mess up any travel plans.
Same here. Bad weather can delay so many things, even work stuff.
Yeah, I've got clients to meet next week. I don't need a storm slowing me down.
I hope it passes quickly. We've got enough to worry about with deadlines.
No kidding. Man, we've covered a lot in this coffee break, huh?
We sure have. It's nice to chat about what's happening in the world.
Totally. Keeps me awake more than the coffee sometimes.
Haha, I agree. It's a good way to start the day.
Well, I better get moving. Got a client call in 10 minutes.
I've got a team meeting soon too. Need to grab my notes.
All right, let's get to it. Have a good day, Alex.
You too, David. See you later?
Catch you at the next coffee break.
Sounds good. Take care.
You too. Let's keep crushing it today.
Absolutely. Good luck with your calls.
Thanks. Good luck with your meeting.
Appreciate it. See you around.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.